Hello everyone. In today's video, I've prepared a simple tutorial on how to invite your friends and contacts to play Monopoly Go. Before we start, take 10 seconds to support us by clicking on subscribe. Thank you. Now, let's get started. Open the Monopoly Go game on your phone and log in as usual. Next, in the upper right corner, you'll see 3 horizontal lines. Click on them and a new pop-up window with available settings will open. At the bottom, there are 3 options. The first is to connect all your phone contacts. I've never preferred this method, so I suggest you use the other 2 options. Of course, the choice is yours. The second option is to connect with the Facebook app. We need the third option, so click on it. Invite your friends to join the game and receive rewards. Here we have 2 available options. Clicking on the invite button will open a window where you can choose your preferred communication app. The list of available apps depends on how many such apps you have installed on your phone. For example, I will choose Telegram and send a message to my colleague. Here's how it looks in the chat. If your friend installs Monopoly Go using your link, you will be rewarded in the game. I'll go back now to show you how to send an invite via Facebook. By clicking on the invite button with the Facebook logo, your Messenger app will open. Simply select your friend in the chat and send them the invite. And that's it for this short video. Subscribe to our channel and become part of our digital family.